Lindesnes Lighthouse, located in Norway, is a popular tourist destination known for its breathtaking views and rich history. Situated at the southernmost point of Norway, Lindesnes Lighthouse has been guiding ships along the treacherous coastline since 1656. Aerial photographs taken by drone provide impressive views of this historical landmark and its scenic surroundings. It allows travelers to appreciate its majesty from above and take stunning panoramic photos that showcase the beauty of this coastal gem. Lindesnes Lighthouse has become a popular tourist attraction, drawing visitors from all over the world. Its stunning coastal location offers breathtaking views of the surrounding landscape, with rugged cliffs and crashing waves that create a dramatic backdrop for photography enthusiasts. Whether you are an avid traveler or simply looking to appreciate natural beauty and historical landmarks, Lindesnes Lighthouse offers a unique destination worth adding to your travel itinerary. Its serene ambience combined with its cultural significance makes it an unforgettable place to visit during your time in Norway.